The moment we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, Lusitania Tovi with her own introduction as Miss Taina's Place.
Miss Taina's Place's talent is in two parts. On the first part, she will be expressing her interest on crafts work by making a say for herself to match her outfit tonight. On the second part, she will be performing a Tongatapu for only one stanza, as she's promoting the services done at the Taina.
At dawn of December 10, 1997, I was born into this beautiful world to a loving parents, Alisi and Lusitania Tovi, of Futu Ewa and Kolofo Tongatapu. I was the eldest and only daughter with two younger brothers. Since I graduated from Apifo College last year, I decided to take a break by traveling overseas for a holiday before returning to enroll at the University of the South Pacific, Tonga campus. My interest in handicrafts grew inside me. I began to design few gifts, including says, so that I could give it to friends. I moved on to represent Taina's Place and Guest House at the Masani beauty pageant of this year. Traveling to Ewa was a good experience for me, and it will never be forgotten. I am proud that some of my fellow contestants at the Masani pageant are also joining the Tonga Masani Heilala pageant in supporting the reigning Miss Ewa 2017. But during my stay at the Taina's Place, I did manage to meet a lot of guests, entertaining them and even learning new skills due to my interest in handicraft making. As I am showcasing tonight as part of my talent, is making a say out of our women's most treasured goods, the tapa glove, or known as feta'aki. I am making it to match my costume, as I am going to later perform a tau'olunga movement to complete my talent. In advertising the Taina's Place to all the visitors who would love to pay a visit and stay at this #1 accommodation located on the edge of the forest on Ewa Island. So I hope that you will all be proud of the skills and talent that I inherit within me. I dedicate this one verse, Tau'olunga, to the guests of honor, charges, and everyone who are here tonight, especially Taina's Place staff, for your hospitality while I was there, and not forgetting all the people of Ewa. Tonga Masani ma'alahi, ofatu Lusitania Tovi.
Paspasi mai Lusitania Tovi. E taulunga. Paspasi mai Lusitania Tovi. Miss Taina's Place and Guest House, may Ewa. Pas mai malo.